first day of the shoot of our not-for-profit advert, and we've got 8 colleagues involved in the filming and their families. This campaign is meant to show how water is so important to people's everyday lives and how our own colleagues care so much about their job because they rely too on the water and the environment that they look after.
I like to do a bit of running outside work. I like to make the most of being outdoors, and that's part of the reason that I enjoy the job I do.
And action!
I wasn't expecting someone on a skateboard filming us, and so it's been really fun. It's been a really good day.
No, I'm quite proud to be asked to do this.
To be honest with you, I thought it was an April Fool. I still didn't believe it till we were here today. The wife said one of the boys is having you on. It's very good they're making a TV advert to make people aware exactly what to do.
It's my first time on telly and I'm really looking forward.
Doing an advert today, who knows? It could be Mrs. Brown's boys tomorrow, you never know.
I'm going to be a TV star.
I'm going to show it out to everyone. I'm like, oh, I'm in a TV advert. Do you want to see this? So yeah, show her off very much so, yeah. Matilda was in the bath. We were splashing about, loads of bubbles, washing her hair. It's Matilda's first TV debut, so we're going to have loads of people over and watch it.
And the kids and myself thoroughly enjoyed it.
I am looking forward to seeing it on telly.
My favourite bit has been when I was setting out all the stuff and also trying a little bit of the sauce.
First the TV, next the Oscars. I think my nomination's in.
My supervisor told me to break a leg. I don't know if he means that literally or in an acting sense, but really looking forward to seeing it on telly, to see the start of the show here. It is important to have an advert because I think a lot of people don't understand the concepts of getting clean water to their taps.
Ketlan and I have been walking my dogs, actually. Children and animals you don't work with. I'm looking forward to seeing young Master Gwyn here making his screen debut, actually.
I had to do a scene where I was actually doing a little bit of gardening and then it starts to rain. To force the rain onto me this time, so it's yeah, it's definitely quite rare, really. It's the first time I've ever been in a TV advert. I don't know whether it's fame at last.
So that's a wrap, end of day 3, the final day, and now on to the edit.
If I do that kind of thing, I know it's extreme.
We've tried to show the breadth of Wales, both in terms of colleagues from North, Mid and South Wales. And also the different scenes, so rural, urban, inside homes, just to show the great diversity there is here. And hopefully the advert that goes out in the summer will encourage people to have this say in the summer consultation to help us decide how they want to invest money for their water and their environment in future.